Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see conversions of metric measures exercise 5.3. Convert the following to grams. 4.673 kilogram. Here kilogram is given, we are going to convert into grams. Okay, kilogram is the larger unit, gram is the smaller unit. Okay, to compare these two units I am saying this. Okay, so larger to smaller, if you convert means you want to multiply. What do you want to do? You have to multiply. First you write the order. Okay, kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay. So what is given? Kilogram is given. You are going to convert into gram. Okay. 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps. So we need to multiply with each step we need to multiply with 10. So totally 3 steps, so 1000. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So here what is given? 4.673 kilogram equal to 4.673 into 1000 gram. Okay. Now multiply this. 4,673, 000. Okay. See here how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places are there. So just keep it 1, 2, 3. So what you are getting, children? 4,673 gram. Okay. So 4.673 kilogram equal to 4,673 gram. So this is the answer. You understand, children? I repeat this. We are going to convert kilogram into grams. So larger to smaller we need to multiply. So 3 steps we are moving. So 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So I'll multiply with 1000. What you are getting? 4,673 gram. Okay, children. So the next question. 56 kilogram, 150 gram. Okay. So 56 kilogram, 150 gram. So 56 kilogram, 150 gram. So we are going to convert. You know very well 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. Okay. So 56 into 1000 gram plus 150 gram. Because it is already in grams, so no need to convert. Okay, this one you just keep it as it is. Okay, now you multiply this 56,000 gram plus 150 gram. If you add this, what you will get? 56,150 gram. So what is the answer, children? 56 kilogram, 150 gram equal to 56,150 gram. Okay, children? You understand? Shall I move on to the next one? Say that. The next one is 0.005 hectogram. Okay? First you write the order: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay, hectogram we are going to convert into gram. 1 step, 2 steps. So into 10 into 10. So 1 hectogram equal to 100 gram. So 0.005 hectogram equal to 0.005 into 100 gram. Well, multiply with 100, the decimal place will move 2 places to the right. Okay. So 1, 2, it will goes there. So what is the answer? 0.5 gram. What is the answer? 0.5 gram. 0.005 hectogram equal to 0.5 gram. You understand, children? Shall I move on to the next one? Okay. See the next one. Convert each as indicated in the brackets. Indicated in the brackets. See here. 4 kilogram, 325 gram. So here bracket what is given? Gram is given. So kilogram we are going to convert into gram. Okay. So you know very well 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kilogram 325 gram equal to 4 into 1000 gram plus 325 gram. So 4 into 1000, 4000 gram plus 325 gram. Okay. Now you add this, what you will get? 4325 gram. So what is the answer, children? 4 kilogram 325 gram equal to 4325 gram. You understand? Okay, see the next one. (94 hectogram) we need to convert into milligram. First you write the order: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. Okay. So hectogram we are going to convert into milligram. Okay. Larger to smaller. So we need to multiply. 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So into 10, into 10, into 10, into 10, into 10. Okay. So 1 hectogram equal to milligram. Sorry. Milligram. Okay. 1 lakh milligram. 1 hectogram equal to 1 lakh milligram. Do you understand, children? Now 94 hectogram equal to 94 into 1 lakh milligram. Now multiply this. 94 into 1, 94. So 94 lakh milligram. You understand, children? So 94 hectogram equal to 94 lakh milligram. So this is the answer. Okay. See the next one. If 1 tin of packed beans weighs 0.230 kg, what will be the weight in grams? What will be the weight in grams of 4 such tins? Okay. So the weight of 1 tin is given. 1 tin is given. They are asking weight of 4 such tins. Okay, see the solution. And here kilogram is given, they are asking in grams. They are asking in grams. So weight of 1 ton equal to 0.230 kilogram. First you convert into gram. Okay, so you know very well 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 0.230 kilogram equal to 0.230 into 1000 gram. Multiply this, what you will get? 230,000. Okay, now here 3 decimals are there. Just you keep it here. What you will get? Here you will keep the decimal, so it cancel. So what you will get? 230 gram. Okay. Next, so we are going to find weight of 4 tins equal to 230 gram into 4. 4 into 0, 0, 4 3s are 12, 2 remaining 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 920 gram. So what is the answer, children? Weight of 4 tins equal to 920 gram. Do you understand, children? Here weight of 1 tin is given. They are asking weight of 4 tins. So we need to multiply. Okay. Okay, children. See the next one. In a bakery, 6 kilogram 500 gram flour, 2500 gram sugar, 3.250 kilogram of butter are used as the basic ingredients to make cookies. Okay, for making the cookies, we need the ingredients flour, sugar and butter. Express the total weight of the ingredients in grams. Okay, first the weight of flour equal to 6 kilogram 500 gram. First you converted into gram. Okay, how can you write this? You know that 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. So 6 kilogram equal to 6000 gram. Here you can add it here, 6000 gram plus 500 gram. So what you will get? 6500 gram. Okay, and see the next one, weight of sugar equal to 2500 gram. So directly write 2500 gram. Next, weight of butter equal to 3.25 kilogram. Just you convert here. So here 3 point. So how can you write this? 3.250 kilogram equal to 3 kilogram 250 gram. Okay. So 3 kilogram 3000 gram plus 250 gram. So what you will get? 3250 gram. Okay, or else you directly multiply with 1000. What you will get? 3250 gram. Okay. Now 3250 gram. Now see here, the unit are same. Okay, now you add this because they asked the total weight of the ingredients. Okay, so total weight of the ingredients equal to, add this, you should add all those things. First one 0, 5, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 5 12, 2 remaining 1, 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Total weight of the ingredients equal to 12,250 gram. You understand, children? Thank you, children.